Hello guys, you're welcome to class once again. This is George Clothing. So today we're learning how to draft a funnel sleeve. If you have not subscribed on my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe on my channel. So today once again you're welcome to class. So I've gone ahead to draft our borderline. Can you see? I've gone ahead to draft our borderline. It doesn't have a set rules. You can use 1 inch, you can use half inch to draft your borderline. So first thing first, you'll be learning how to draft your basic sleeve for this. To get your funnel, you will draft our basic sleeve first. So the next thing is, how do we get our cap height and our sleeve width? What will you do? You will say bust text your bust divided by 12 plus 1. That is, my bust measurement that I'm using for this class is 36. I will say 36 divided by 12 plus 1. 36 divided by 12 is 3 plus 1 is 4. I hope you understand. So for our cap height, we'll be measuring 4 for this class. For our cap height, 4 inch, 4 inch. Then you draw a straight line. So guys, this is our cap height. So the next measurement is getting your sleeve length. My sleeve length is 23. You go ahead and mark your 23. Then draw a straight line. Then our next measurement is our elbow measurement. Which is the elbow length. Our elbow length is 14 inches. 14 inches. You go ahead to mark 14 inches for your elbow measurement. This is it. And the next measurement is our width measurement. How do you get your width measurement for your sleeve? Your sleeve width is bust divided by 6 plus 1 plus 1.5. My bust is 36. 36 divided by 6 plus 1 plus 1.5. I will get 8.5. That is our sleeve width. Then you go ahead on your cap height. You go ahead and measure 8.5 on your cap height. Go ahead and measure 8.5. This is our 8.5. Then on the borderline here, I hope you can see this. On the borderline, you go a straight line to your 8.5. That is your cap height. From your borderline, you do a straight line to your 8.5 width. I hope you can see this. So we want to get our sleeve curve. Can you see? This is the 8.5. Then you go ahead to measure, to divide this straight line now into 2. You divide it into 2. What will you have? You divide it into 2, then mark. When you divide it into 2, you mark. Can you see? When we divided into 2, we have marked. Then go up by half inch on that mark point. Go up by half inch. We are trying to get our curve for our sleeve. Go up by half inch and draw a bit of straight line. Just a bit. Can you see what I'm doing? Then take your curve ruler to to that half inch. Take your curve ruler to that half inch and draw. Please note, your front is always shorter than your back in your sleeve. Your front is always shorter than your back. That is why we are doing all these necessary measurements. So use your curve ruler like so. Can you see? Then place it like so on that same point. On that same point. And mark. Can you see? Can you see our curve is coming out? Can you see? So this will serve for the back. This is for the back. Then for the front, you come ahead on your borderline. Take your curve ruler and mark like so for the front. Can you see where I'm placing my ruler? On your borderline to that same point that you divided, and use your curve to draw another line like so, another curve. Can you see? This will serve for the front. Then use your curve, place it like so, and draw a curve like so to that same 8.5. So this will serve for your front. This is the back, this is the front curve. Can you see? This is the front curve. So right about now, you go ahead and measure your elbow line. You know, this is our elbow line. Let me label so that you guys will not get confused. This is our elbow line, and this is our sleeve length. This is our sleeve length. This is our elbow line. So you go ahead and measure your elbow. Our elbow circumference is 10. 10 divided by 2, you will have 5. 10 divided by 2, you have 5. You have 5. Then your measurement, you can as well put your measurement if you want to. If you don't want to, you just go ahead. But because of the funnel sleeve we are drafting, we'll be putting our measurement in it. So 10 divided by 2, you have 5 plus 1 inch measurement plus 1 inch allowance. 1 inch allowance. You just go ahead to measure your allowance. But it's not necessary when you are drafting a basic sleeve. It is not necessary for you to put your allowance. But because of the funnel class we are making, because of the funnel draft, you go ahead to put your allowance. So our elbow is 10. 10 divided by 2, you have 5 plus your 1 inch. That is 6 altogether. Your elbow length, your sleeve length, the measurement you have here is 8. 8 divided by 2, you have 4. 4 plus your 1 inch allowance. 1 inch allowance is okay for your sleeve. We have 8. 8 divided by 2, you have 4 plus 1 inch. This is it. So you go ahead to mark, to draw a straight line like so to this point, to your sleeve length. Like so, with your straight ruler. Can you see? You can use a bit your curve ruler for this part. Can you see? So this is our basic sleeve. Now we want to draft our funnel sleeve. First thing for your funnel sleeve, what you have to do is on your sleeve length, come down by 4 inch on your sleeve length, come down by 4 inch and mark, come down by 4 inch and mark. Then use your curve ruler to draw a straight line down to that 4 inch mark. So the next thing now that you will do is on your sleeve length, go up by 1 inch on your sleeve length. Go up by 1 inch on your sleeve length. What you can see, then draw a straight line. Go up by 1 inch on sleeve length, draw a straight line. Then on that 1 inch you went up by, divide it into two. Take your table and divide it into two. Can you see? Divide it into two and draw a straight line down to that 4 inch. Draw a straight line down to that 4 inch. Draw a straight line down to your 4 inch mark. Can you see? We are trying to get our funnel sleeve here. Can you see? Draw a straight line. The next thing now we will do is to cut out. We will cut out this straight line. First let's cut out our sleeve. So right now we have cut out our sleeve. Let's cut out the cap eyes, the cuff part. So now you'll be cutting out the back only. You will not cut out the front. You know this, the second curve is the front and this is our back. So you'll be cutting out this back. And you will not cut out the front. So the next thing is you want to cut out this border line. Can you see our sleeve is ready? Our sleeve is ready. I want to take this down. So the next thing now we will do is we will cut out this shape. You know this is our sleeve length. This is our sleeve length. And this is the 1 inch we went up in. So the next thing now is we want to cut this into two. So you cut like so. The straight line you have drawn to your 1 inch point. ensure you are very careful here. You can see the way I'm doing, right? Please ensure you don't cut out. Can you see? Then you cut out the other part too. Can you see? This is spread and snatch. Can you see our funnel corset is getting set, is already set now. Can you see? But please, I want you to know something. When you are drafting only basic sleeve, you put your pattern paper on fold. Your paper should be on fold. Your pattern paper should be on fold. But because of the aspect of this class, we'll be dealing with just our paper is not on fold. You can see our paper is not on fold. You just draft only on single paper. But your paper should be on fold when you're drafting a basic sleeve. So the next thing now is we replace our pattern paper on our fabric. So guys, we have placed our pattern paper on our fabric now. So before you go ahead, the next thing that we will do is on this part, on this border part, on this center part, mark 2 inch out. Just mark 2 inch out. Then mark 2 inch. Can you see? Then place your pattern paper like so on that 2 inch mark. Place your pattern paper like so. Then pin down. Please ensure you pin down. Pin down. So the next thing you will do is spreading the part we have cut out. Spread it into two like so. Can you see? Just spread it into two like so. Just spread out. Can you see? Spread out like so. And pin down. The way I'm pinning down. Can you see? Spread it down like so and pin down. So the next thing we'll be doing is add half inch to every part of it. Half inch round. So that is what we'll be doing now. Half inch round to your end points, half inch round. Remember, while we are drafting, we add 1 inch for the allowance. With this half inch making 1.5. So half inch round. 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 Then go ahead to trace out. Please, your Your fabric should be on fold. Remember to put your fabric on fold. Can you see the way I'm doing? Half inch. Half inch. Then this part, you come ahead to curve it like so. To your half inch. Can you see? So this is our sleeve. The next thing we'll be doing is we will cut out. Remember, this is the center of our sleeve. This is the center of our sleeve, but it will be cut out. It will not be on fold, it will be cut out. So the next thing is to cut out our fabric. So we have cut it out now. Can you see? This is our sleeve. So by the time you are joining your sleeve, you just join this half inch together. You join the center part together. You join it together. You join your sleeve together like so. By that half of an inch that you take away. So this is it. You just join everything together, and your sleeve is ready. I'll show you the outcome of what I did after joining it together. So guys, this is the final outcome of our sleeve. Can you see? This is the final outcome of our sleeve. This is it. This is the product of it. So you can try your own out and see the outcome also.